welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. If you are new to my channel, my name is Iyana and you want to go ahead, press that subscribe button and that notification bell next to it so you will not miss NT videos from me. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into today's video. Y'all can tell from the title, we doing a styling video. Okay, I've wanted to do this for so long. Y'all know the BOHO braids that have been going around on TikTok, and I was thinking, but I'm like, man, I don't want to do it. Mini braids take a minute to put in your hair and take out of your hair, so I was just like, I don't know, but y'all cute with it. Y'all cute. I saw that there is a BOHO mini twist going on with the trend right now. We about to do that today. Is she excited? Yes, I'm excited. So I will be starting the style on freshly clean hair. I already have my hair sectioned off into my usual twist. Y'all already know that. But I'm just gonna untwist these sections so I can go ahead and part my hair in a neater format. And then I'm going to go ahead and start separating my hair ear to ear so I can just work on the back sections first. This is the first side I'm going to be working on. So I'm going to go ahead, spray my hair with some water. Oh, and with some leave-in conditioner on the whole entire section. And then I'm going to go in with this oil blend, add that to the whole entire section. I'm trying to do them a decent size because I don't want them too small, but I don't want them too big either. So I'm probably going to do around this size section. This section is probably still a little small, but I'm gonna do them around this size. And y'all already know every time I do my twist that I wear out, I always add a perm rod at the end, so I'm gonna be incorporating that into my boho twist and see how that's gonna look. I'm gonna take my tangle teaser just to brush everything out. As I'm twisting, I'm gonna just go ahead and take out a little bit of hair so it can be the loose pieces. Take out another loose piece. I'm probably just gonna have 2 loose pieces on each strand of hair for the look that I want, but you can put as many loose pieces as you want hanging out of the twist. And I'm just gonna continue to twist all the way to the ends. And for the loose pieces, I thought I was gonna use some styling cream, but I think it'll probably be best for me to use a gel on the loose pieces for my hair. So I'm just gonna be using a little bit of this Allicane natural gel just to put on. So I'm gonna apply that to the loose piece. Make sure she is looking good. And then, like I said, I'm going to go in with my perm rod just to put on my ends of my hair. I'm going to just roll it up just a little bit. Give you guys a close-up. Not me getting all hype right now. Okay, so I got the first twist in. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next section. All right, once I'm done detangling, I'm going to go ahead and start twisting. I'm going to go ahead and take out loose strand. And then I'm gonna take out another loose strand of hair. I'll go ahead and add the gel to the loose pieces. I'm gonna go in with my perm rod and just put it at the end of the twist, and boom, she'll have it like that. So I'm gonna repeat these steps, y'all. Wish me luck on how long it's gonna take. Hopefully it won't take too long, but I'll be back once I get further towards the front. right, you guys, so it is the next day. I'm about to go ahead and take these perm rods out, and I might have to fix some of the loose strands because I feel like they done got a little frizzy. Okay, so this is my hair. I put a scarf on so I can lay down the top, but I'm about to go ahead and start taking down these perm rods and fix some of the loose strands because some of them are frizzy already. All right, y'all, so all of the perm rods are down. I'm seeing the vision. So this is the hair. I think adding the perm rods actually, like, you know, it a little bit. I don't think I've seen anybody add perm rods at the end, but I usually add perm rods at the ends of my hair. I think it's super cute with the perm rods. I think this is kind of cute. It gotta grow on me. It is very much different. My hair is still a little damp from last night, so it's probably gonna shrink up a little more, but overall it ain't bad. Now I would style it though. I would style this because I mean it's cute down. Maybe I need to do it to the side because a lot of people have been doing it to the side, and I don't wear my hair on the side. I don't like that. I'm gonna probably style it in like a half up, half down type of situation. I went ahead and put it in a half up, half down hairstyle just for right now, just so I can get more acquainted to it, okay? But it's super cute. It's definitely giving a vibe, okay? So I'm gonna let my hair be like this for today. I fixed some of the loose strands and my hair is still a little damp, so I'm not gonna touch it too much. But I hope you guys enjoyed this boho mini twist hairstyle video. Let me know down below, have you tried this style? Have you tried it with braids? Have you tried it with twists? What was your experience? Were you feeling it? Were you not feeling it? Let me know all that down below in the comment section. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share. Sharing is caring, so go ahead and do that. Don't forget you're beautiful, you're strong, you the best music, and I will see you guys in my next one. My name is Iyana LeShea, and I am the creator, the owner, and illustrator for Iyana LeShea Illustrations. I started Iyana LeShea Illustrations back on October 25th, 2019. I create my own illustrations for t-shirts, sweatshirts, wall decor, poster prints, and more things to come when I expand my catalog. I'm not going to tell you yet, but it's a bunch more to come. I aim for my illustrations and my brand to empower, encourage, and inspire our Black community out here, y'all. We really need this. Some deals that I have on my shirts and products on my site right now is if you sign up for the newsletters, you will receive 10% off your first order. And also when you sign up for the newsletter, you'll be in the know about when I launch new products, when I launch new designs, what's new to come, early bird access to the new designs, details on how I came up with a specific design or a specific collection, and you'll also get some exclusive deals on the newsletter. So make sure you go check out my website and my brand at www.iyanalesheaillustrations.com, and I'll see you guys over there rocking your gear.